I do get asked from time to time about the market trends and just to kind of give you an overview of what's gone on here in Santa Clarita for the past little while. Let me break it down. So, what you'll see here is you'll actually see what's occurring at these current numbers today. So, we move into July. Active listings 961 all across the Santa Clarita Valley. And down here at the low point, somewhere around 291, December of 21, it's been pretty much a climb since then. We do have some peaks and valleys in here. Tracking back 5 years is comparison to 961 now versus 527 back in the day. These are going to be the listings that are going to be composed in the Santa Clarita Valley. Now, as far as escrows closed July 2020, we can look at that 434 number, relatively high in comparison with today, 271 total escrows closed as far as July goes of this year, 2025 versus back in 2020. And then that low point in here is going to come right about here, 128. January of 2023 is about the low point, and of course the high peaked at 482 December of 2020. And as far as residential median list price, July 2020, $620,000. And you can see we've been on an upward trend since then, 848,000 total, and that's the top number. You back it off a couple months. We were a little bit lower and depending on a little bit higher, but you can see how it fluctuates. Got 859 as far as the high May 2025, and now we're at 848. We have to watch where this number happens to go here in the next few months to see if that's really changed much. But we do have quite a bit of an increase. Median list price July of 2020, 620 at the low point. And this July of 2025, 848. So you can see that price increase there. And then finally, looking at that median sale price, not list, but sale. These are two different things. The list is what actually the sellers are hoping to get. Sale price is what they ended up getting. And you can see a difference, almost $35,000. $25,000 in this regard from the median sale price July 2020. And then we can see that upward trend pretty much mirrors the actual market price up here on the list prices versus the median sale price. But 870 as far as today, as far as that price. This has been your update. I'm Connor with Honor. You can see this and other videos and other information at Santa Clarita openhouses.com. It's always my pleasure. Don't forget to Zoom call me, Zoom me, scv.com, Zoom me, scv.com. I'd be more than happy to walk you through the entire process as it comes to buying and selling real estate. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a fantastic day. I'm Connor with Honor, over and out.